Okay, so I'm going to bring in Brother Tony Perkins to do public safety and give us some updates on public safety. Brother Tony.
Peace, good people. Peace, good people. Good evening. My name is Tony Perkins, aka TP, and welcome to the Ward F Community Forum. Once again, I am excited to be here with you guys to inform some of you on some things you might already know, and most of you on some things that you don't know, which is the worst, not knowing. But we're gonna dive right into it. I want to thank the brother Dan, for giving us that great remembrance of the good brother Kabili Tayari. And just to reflect on that, I was a neighbor of Brother Kabili on Virginia Avenue, right here in Jersey City. And that brother did a lot. He was definitely a strong pillar here in Jersey City. Activism through the roof, and very inspirational. Every interaction I had with Brother Kabili, he always left me with something strong to walk with, which we can always appreciate. His stature was very, very thin, but his words were powerful. And we're going to miss that brother. So may Allah be pleased with him. Ameen. And we're going to dive right into it. But first, we're going to go with what's plaguing the community so much, which is COVID-19. And I just want to run down and give y'all an update on a couple of testing sites that we can reach. That's definitely accessible to all of us. I want to start with a public safety headquarters on 465 Marin Boulevard, Jersey City, New Jersey. One testing site. We have Hudson Regional Hospital, 55 Meadowlands Parkway, Secaucus, New Jersey. We have UltraCare Health Mart Pharmacy, 568 West Side Avenue. All of these places are accessible, people. This virus is plaguing not only our communities, but the country. And we have to do what we have to do to keep everybody safe, not only ourselves, but our family members as well, and also our friends. Next, we have the Quest Diagnostics, 2854 John F. Kennedy Boulevard, Jersey City, New Jersey. They also have another location at 129 Washington Street, the lower level in Hoboken, New Jersey, which is also accessible. We have 3495 JFK Boulevard in Jersey City, another testing site. We have Riverside Medical Group in Hoboken, 1405 Madison Street, Hoboken, New Jersey. It's a few of them, so just bear with me, but we all can use the update. Genesis Diagnostics Incorporated, 575 Manila Avenue, Jersey City, New Jersey. City MD, 32 Journal Square Plaza, Jersey City, New Jersey. They also have several locations here in Jersey City. 340 Grove Street, Jersey City, New Jersey. 231 Washington Street in Hoboken, New Jersey. We also have Dr. Inariva Primary Care, 206 Washington Street, Jersey City, New Jersey. We have Prompt MD Urgent Care, 201 Marin Boulevard, 3B, Suite 3B, Jersey City, New Jersey. They also have various locations. 309 First Street, Hoboken, New Jersey. Last but not least, we have Diligent Urgent Care, which is located at 3807 Bergen Line Avenue, Union City, New Jersey. So we have several locations, people. It's a must we get out here and get tested. It's very important. Our people are dying. Our family members, we are losing family members. We are losing friends. We are losing enemies. We are losing people in general. And we have to find some type of solution within ourselves to combat this virus. So it starts with self. COVID cases are rising tremendously here in Jersey City. So what we are trying to push for is a hashtag #HealthierJC. And that's going to take everybody's participation. Social distance. Wear your mask. We have holidays coming up. I know people are anticipating Thanksgiving and having family over. I know this is traditional for a lot of us. But at this point, in this state and period in time, we can't do what we would normally do, having friends and family over for Thanksgiving. We have to practice our safety. We have to practice social distancing. It's unfortunate, but it must be done. Just going to give you guys a heads up on the numbers of COVID cases here in Jersey City. In the Greenville section, we have 2,368 COVID cases. It's a lot of people. It's a lot of people. In the Heights, Jersey City Heights, we have 1,633 people. In Journal Square alone, we have 1,594 people. It's disheartening just to read off these numbers, people. On West Side Avenue, 1,421. Downtown Jersey City, 1,382. Newport area, 159. The waterfront, 11. So it's a little scary. Actually, it's a lot scary because we all travel through all these areas. We live in these areas. And for these numbers to be at the height that they are in, is scary. So we must get out there and get tested. Let your family and friends know to get tested. Also, hashtag #MaskUpJC. Jersey City is definitely has a mailing mask to all households. Put your emails on there, get your mask, people. It's very imperative that we do this. Safety is key. Safety is key. Moving on to the next thing, we have district locations and captains, which is very important. The East District, commanded by Captain Benjamin J. Daly, located at 207 7th Street, which is downtown Jersey City. Phone number they can be reached is at 201-547-5477, approximately populated by 60,000 residents. Reach out to these people. They are your local officers. We have to be in touch with our officers. They are protecting us. So whatever issues that we might have, that's what they're there for. The West District, commanded by Captain Raymond Ortiz, located at 1 Jackson Avenue. Also, 201-547-5477, populated by 50,000 plus residents here in Jersey City. The South District, commanded by Captain Patrick Sullivan, located at 191 Bergen Avenue. Also, 201-547-5477, populated by 55,000 residents. All this information that we are providing, take heed to it, people. It's needed. It's necessary. It's a must that we have all of this information that's being given tonight. With that being said, I want to thank everybody for tuning in tonight. Continue to tune in to the community forum. This is what we do, and it's imperative that we do this. I want everybody to stay safe, practice social distancing, have a great weekend, enjoy your holiday, and show love. Your brother, Tony Perkins, aka TP. Peace.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, Brother Perkins, for that presentation on public safety, community updates, and the COVID thing. Just a little brief on a little more brief on COVID. The city is essentially like going out of their way to make sure as many people is tested as possible, as many people is tested, and these are free. These are free. So please make sure you go, it costs nothing. I'm taking so many COVID tests. I kind of like, I know the procedure. I almost go and get the Q-tip and put it in my nose myself. All right. We want to make sure that we are healthy and always practice good immune health. There's a lot of open sites, people. There's a lot of open sites out there doing these COVID tests. Please, please, please go take your COVID test, man. We know that some people are more susceptible to COVID-19 than others. So we must make sure we're looking out for our young people and our elderly people. So that means we have to get into these senior buildings, call auntie, call grandpa, call grandma, and make sure they are right. Make sure our kids, because you know our kids, they literally touch everything. And that's an understatement. You know, these kids, they just all over the place. You know, they're little jitterbugs. So we just have to make sure that we're doing our due diligence to make sure everyone is good. Now, without